we have like allies in the spiritual realm, but this is gonna be someone in the physical realm as well. And the green here, like there's really about nature, so you could be settling down somewhere. There's like blue green, so it could be best of both worlds as well. And the 717, as I said that. And look at that sun here. Yes, it's just very, oh my goodness, another ace. And there's an ace of cups. It's like all the support, you're getting all the support from the divine. Look at this one. Again, look at that similarity here with that sun. It's like this is like, I'm getting here, worth the tears you shed. Yeah, it's just really coming out now. Like, yeah, I can be like that. I can just get all these like downloads, and sometimes I had to catch up writing it down, but I just really got this message, and that's 0808, speaking of abundance, prosperity, you know. And look at that, it's 2. Like there's really that, and that's 818, 2. Look at that, 2 children here. And there's, it might be twins actually. Anyway, it's gonna be an overflowing of really love and overflowing of abundance. That's why you're able to share this. You're sharing from the overflow, like both of you are overflowing already and come together. And this Ace of Cups, the world. I got in this shell, so the world shell. Yeah, there's really about something connection with the ocean. Could be connecting with some really like spirit animals in the oceans, like have dolphins and whales and fish, and of course there's an octopus here. So you could be doing a lot of things at this time, but you could be doing more. But it would be, I would say, you doing things together would make it like lighter at the same time. And I think you've been connecting with this soul in the ether, or you are manifesting this person. Look at that ray of light again, and this time, like speaking of the heart chakra, there's really like activation of that heart chakra, and that's how you manifest this. You have manifested this one, and that balance there, look at that.